Alright, so my background is Basil cardstock. The red polka dot layer, which I was almost thinking about changing it to the floral, but I didn't. But the polka dot layer is a scrap left over from another layout. Which I look back at my other it's Jen Hadfield, Hey Hello. There we go. And that is I think that's Pink Fresh Studio or Pink Fresh Studio. Let's see. I apologize, patent's in the way. And then I'm going to use all these small scraps that I have behind the photo. It's the only way I know to use them all up. So either my husband's going in later, or he's not going in at all. Alright, so I'm going to use that polka dot, yellow polka dot pattern. And then I was thinking about using, I haven't not used a card out of this Maggie Holmes paper, but I am going to use that card. And this is my sister, my oldest sister. Oh, it's Mateo, Penton. He must have just got up, or he came in at all. Anyway, the card says, "Life is better with you beside me." I think is what, or next to me. And this is my oldest sister, with her 3 grandboys, grandsons, on Mother's Day, for Mother's Day. What happened? No, my lap? Come here. Come here, Kiki. Come here. Oh boy. Good guy. So you haven't laid on my lap in a long time since we moved. No, you're not. No, that's my coffee, big guy. It's just my coffee. I had to buy new attachments for my central vacuum because the one that I found the hose, which was cracked, I fixed it, and then the attachment keeps falling off, and it just had the floor attachment, which worked fine on carpet too, but it kept falling off. It was driving me nuts, and it didn't have any other attachments, no dusting tools or anything like that, and which I usually take a rake to dust, but I purchased a hard floor carpet attachment, and it comes with a tool caddy that attaches to the extending wand. So I bought a new wand too. It extends long, short, but that and a dusting tool, crevice, and an upholstery tool, so that can all attach to the caddy. So I have everything right there, and I'm gonna use it because I found that while I'm vacuuming the floor, it is so much more convenient than me going around with a rag and dusting everything. It's much more convenient for me to just use the dusting tool. So, I'm going to open my blinds because I can watch the sun come up in the sky. It's beautiful this morning. Wow, it is a beautiful sunrise. And I'm going to say my husband is not going into work today. So, stickers are Cartabella Summer Market. The die cuts, however, are Maggie Home Sweet Story. And the chipboard stickers are also Maggie Home Sweet Story. Yeah, I guess he's not going in. Now, now he's Patton loves this brush. I found this brush after we moved, and so he's got such long hair that I noticed that the hair on his stomach is starting to get matte, so I brought out the comb to try to see if I could comb him out, but I'm going to have to cut him out, but I'm scared too because he doesn't sit still, and I don't want to accidentally cut him. So I hope Mateo sleeps in a little bit. Yesterday he got up about this time, 6:30. I didn't get up till 6. I've been sleeping horribly because I've been doing way too much lopping and hedge trimmings and stuff and cleaning of the foot grout and tile inside that. I ended up with pain in my elbow, which I think is tendinitis. Yeah. The symptoms are exactly like that. So anyway, so Mother's is American Crafts Paperwork Thickers, and Happy Day is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool. And then that yellow pattern that I cut a banner out of, fishtail banner, is the Maggie Home Sweet Story, as well as the card. And then I'm also going to use some enamel dots, which I use the Dune Crystal dots, the liquid. It's like a really soft pink, and I use those because they dry to the consistency of a enamel dot. So, once I get my title down, and I'm going to use the sticker Celebrate because I don't have too many reasons to use those type of phrase stickers, so I'm going to try to use those up. And then I don't have an apostrophe, so I can't do the apostrophe S for mothers, so that's okay. And then I do the crystals, and oh, I have to, those thickers won't stick, so I need to use actual glue. I found these are a pain. They don't want to stick on their own. And that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.